Come here, nobody remember. I think I talk too fast. Hello?
Good evening, can I speak to Mr. Johnson?
Yes, this is Mr. Johnson.
Mr. Johnson, I'm happy to tell you you're a winner of $450,000.
Are you serious?
I'm being dead serious.
So rich?
There's more. I'm gonna throw in a pearly white Mercedes-Benz 2017, which is all yours.
Stop!
You heard me.
Lucky idea.
Mr. Johnson, there's one thing though. You have to send us 50,000 US dollars of US Western Union, and the money will be all yours.
I'm win $450,000. You know, just take out 50,000 out of and me get 400,000.
Oh no, Mr. Johnson. We have to collect the money first, then we'll send you your money, Mr. Johnson.
But hold on, how me win money though? Me never play no game or nothing.
Sir, you're just a lucky person.
Yo, madam, you have a mother?
Of course I have a mother, Mr. Johnson.
Go suck out your mother and come out from the foot. Your breath sound like it stinks. Dirty nasty boy. Come out from the foot. Come from a bum buckler for go suck out your parents.